Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best pizza stones on Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Unicook heavy-duty ceramic pizza grilling stone. Das erste Produkt, das wir heute bewerten ist unsere beste Empfehlung Option und hat ihnen von Unicook gebracht. Aus hochwertigem FDA und LFGB Dynamite Cordierite Stein, schaffen ein hervorragend Oberfläche für das Kochen Hostmat Pizza und Keks, sowie Tiefkühlpizza, Kuchen und Quiches. Cordierite Stein verfügt über ein einzigartig warmerkulte Vermigen und ist sicher für die beeindruckende Zahl von 1450 Grad Fahrenheit. Es ist sehr wirksam bei der Feuchtigkeit aus dem Teig Zeichnung leckere Pizza Basen zu machen Kuchen und Nussbrige Krust. Cordierite wird von vielen Metal bevorzugt auf weil es der Hintergrund eliminiert durchnast, das so oft auftreten können, wenn Verwendung eines Basismodells. Auch müssen vorsichtig sein Blick nach Stein richtig und Seif oder Reinigungsmittel zu reinigen verwenden, nur warmes Wasser und mildes Wäschen der Hand. Das ist wegen der natürlichen Poros Natur des Steins. Wenn fahren vorsichtig und folgen den Anweisungen können ein authentic Pizza genießen. Number 2. Our second best pick is Lodge P14P3 Pro Logic Cast Iron Pizza Pan. Recommended. Our next product is the recognized brand worldwide, Lodge, and he was nominated for the best support of our cast iron pan pizza. Those of you with pride in your cookware will certainly family with this family. Founded in 1896, Back family values are the backbone of this company and cookware quality is his specialty. You are still 2 furnaces working on the banks of the Tennessee River. We have its round pizza pan 14 inches for special mention today, hand-picked. Contoured handle for transporting, comfortable and safe. This is a joy used for cooking, baking and with. It is tough and durable to withstand decades of cooking. That comes with a formula from vegetable oil pre-seasoned, which publishes a natural surface with the use of only improve. If you're looking to impress family and friends with their homemade pizzas and want to invest in a pizza stone in the centuries to come, then this is a Landhaus seasoned 14-inch baking pan. Number 3. Our third best pick is Honey Can Do Old Stone Oven Rectangular Pizza Stone. Our third selection is Great Pizza Stone's Honey Can Do Old Stone Oven Rectangular Pizza Stone, has a restaurant quality result in an easily affordable mid-range price. Perfect for cooking, heat absorbing, evenly over the base with a specially designed heat transfer core eliminates the center by soaking the baked pizza's standard plague trays. Its construction permanently prevents cracking and smells the most delicious pizza each time. With 239 square inch to make sure there is enough space for a personal pizza or that the whole family feeds game night, and if you want that, try your manufacture of bread in hand. This stone pizza is one of the best kitchen appliances to attempt. It is so effective and reliable that soon there are excuses for having pizza night every night of the week, not that there's anything wrong with that. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Cast Elegance Pizza Stone. The elegant as expected Cast Elegance Pizza Stone built with Thermarite sounds not only like a space-age single material. The material that you would find in a Marvel film is designed to effectively absorb, offers a not excellent moisture retention and heat is transfer. This only jargon you to win, but actually protects your pizza bakes with highest precision, even to and a solid crust, but not too hard for easy slicing base. It is difficult to clean a bit, especially if you have never owned a pizza stone, but this should get easier with practice, and often will not clean everything. If possible, pizza are new to this game, which we doubt, but it could have been for most of his life in an apocalyptic bunker. It comes with a free ebook recipes, so that your hand is best to try and unique pizzas ever attempted. Our handy guide to the best electrical pans offers more products like this. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Heritage Black Ceramic Pizza Stone and Cutting Wheel. The pizza stone and pottery wheel Black Heritage Cut 15 give all the tools they need to pizza rate maximum, without asking a lot of money to spend. A bit cheaper than the old stone oven that still guarantees excellent results, and they may even provide better performance than more expensive models. Claiming to heat the pizza twice as fast as other stones, it is ideal to wait for those who can never be ready for your pizza and lament the slowly dragging feet of the Domino pizza tracker. The rugged design cracking and prevents crumbling in the oven, does not smoke, guarantees the pizza tastes every time. For this reason, you can keep in the oven, saving prevents the search for potential memory. The other dishes and pans, the Surface Pizza Cutter is ruined sharp and slides through their creation easy, regardless of whether you have made a pizza from scratch or a frozen oven is when you have little time, but can slide over to the first use. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.